Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a August Boxycharm unboxing and trying. I've been wanting to try this little series on my channel because I enjoy watching them and seeing what other people got, so I thought it would be fun. We'll start out with the Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. This brand is like a coffee based company, so this body oil smells exactly like brewed coffee, which as a coffee fanatic like myself, love. Definitely not something a lot of people might like. It's called Booty Drops, but you can use it everywhere. I don't know if I notice anything like firming or anything about it, but it's always good to moisturize your skin. The Frank Body Oil is $17.95. Next up we got Claras New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. You're technically not supposed to feel like wear retinol during the day, but I guess as long as you put SPF on it, it would be fine. I already have a lot of retinol stuff, but it's always good to get a new one. This one is originally $24.99. So both of these, so far the box has already paid for itself. I have the base box, which is $25 a month. We've got the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. There's 12 shades. This palette's pretty, I would say, basic. There's some mattes, some shimmers, and I would say some satin finishes, and I ended up using the shades Breezy to set my eyes, Smooth, shade Calm, which is like this gray purple, and then I used the shade Nonchalant, which is like this dark reddy brown. Shade Calm is like a satin shimmery silver, and then I think it's actually Smooth, which is the grayish purple that I use in the crease. It's definitely like a really pretty palette. Nothing I would have like bought myself. Like if I saw this in store, I wouldn't have bought it. But now that I have it, it's definitely very useful and cute. But I went with kind of a basic like gray eye. I actually feel like this look ended up kind of looking very like Marilyn Monroe-ish. Looks like an eye look she would have worn. Would try to incorporate other stuff that I got from my Boxycharms in the past. This is the Dragon Liner, I think from Queen Beauty, and this is my ultimate favorite liquid liner. I have that problem sometimes where my eyeliner will transfer onto my eyelid, and this one has yet to do it. So when this does run out, I will repurchase it. I'm hoping I can find it on like the Boxy add-on or the Boxy pop-up, because then it's discounted, because I have a feeling this is like 20 something dollars, maybe more, because it did come with like a cream eyeliner too, which I never use. The Lavaa Beauty Flirty Lash Set. It comes with a clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive that's waterproof, which I'm definitely going to need when my wedding's coming up. A gold applicator And then of course the 3D Mink Flirty Lash. These definitely aren't like my favorite lashes on the planet. They're comfy and they look pretty, but I like the like more flared out on the edge lash, so it looks more like cat eye. Nothing against them, they are good. But this kit is $54 usually. So again, this already pays for the box. I could always use lash glue. The applicator is good to do. I like to do it after I put my lashes on to like pinch them together to set with my natural lash so they don't look like they're falling off. I went in with the $1 Billion Brows on point in the color Taupe, and this is a waterproof micro brow pencil. Been really loving this. This has kind of been, I've been cheating on my e.l.f. instant brow lift pencil with this. I don't know if it would be like something I would repurchase necessarily, because I can't remember how much this originally is. I'm gonna say 20. I'll put it up on the screen what it actually is, and I just can't beat $2. So I'm topping off my brows with the Gimme Brow from Benefit in the shade 5. This is something I'd been curious to try, and I got it in one of my past Boxycharms, and it definitely sets the brows, but I wouldn't say, like, I'm touching my brows right now and they're pretty soft, which is nice, but I can tell it'll move. Like, I'm brushing my eyebrows and they're moving. So I definitely prefer my like Got2b Schwarzkopf spiking glue to set my brows, but this is nice and it's very travel friendly. So I'll probably definitely take this on my honeymoon. is the Manna Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. This stuff smells really good. You can use it to prep your skin, and then before and like after your makeup and throughout the day. It's definitely nothing special, but I like it. I'll use it all up. And then I ended up using this Saint Luxe lip liner. I tried to go in with the color Secret Admirer, but the nib fell out and I couldn't find it forever. I finally found it, but it's kind of annoying that it kept falling out. So I ended up using the shade Love Letter. Again, these lip liners aren't anything amazing, but I'll keep using them. I would definitely not repurchase though because of the fact that it keeps falling out. Let me know down below what you got in your Boxycharm. This definitely won, the August box definitely isn't my favorite box. I'd give it like a 3 out of 5. Mainly because like I like trying out new body like makeup rather than skincare, because I already have all my skincare, but I guess it's nice to try out new things. But I'm looking forward to the October box. Hopefully it's like something a little more fall and spooky themed. I kind of doubt it, but we'll see.